Why don't we just say, here's Cece.
When the night is dark, fire you had has lost its spark. Take a little piece from God. Take a little piece from God. Let it burn in your heart. When your land is dry, rain only falls from your eyes. Take a little piece from God. Just a little piece from God, and a river you'll find. It's yours for the taking, so just take a little piece from God. It's yours for the making, so just take a little piece from God. It's already given, so just take a little piece from God. He is right where you are. When your faith is weak, tossed by the waves of all you've seen, take a little piece from God. Just a little piece from God. He has more than you need. It's yours for the taking, so just take a little piece from God. It's yours for the making, so just take a little piece from God. It's already given to us, so just take a little piece from God. He is right where you are.
And there you go.
Awesome.
Thank you. That's
Thank you so much.
Thanks for having me.
Okay, I think we have a few minutes. Can we show the picture of your family again and talk
Sure,
about them? Because that's the
sure.
one thing Steve forgot to ask you.
Well,
A lot of people.
how's everybody?
Everybody's good.
Okay.
Everybody's
How
good.
many performing wine-ins are there?
Oh, that's a hard question. A lot.
Thank you
Because
for-
what
thank
you
you for
see on
answering.
there
Yeah.
is some of my nieces and nephews. We have more, and now they're having babies.
So we're talking about 3 generations?
Yeah.
Wow.
When you get us all together, it's probably about 50 something.
Is there anybody in the family who's not musical and can't sing?
No.
They better be.
Yeah.
Right?
Can you imagine being the one
One
person?
whining that can't sing.
Yeah.
That would be awful.
You know, my mom and dad both sang, and so we all sing and play or do something.
And you grew up with
Yeah,
it. It's
yeah,
now part
yeah.
of you. All
Part
right,
of
the
your
new album
blood.
again called Let Them Fall in Love. Comes out February 3rd, available
Available
for
pre-order.
pre-order now.
Yeah.
Yes, they can go online,
So
website,
is
and pre-order
it gonna
now.
be? 7 years again? What are you going to do here?
Oh, no. I don't think so. I don't think so. I think I'll keep going.
All right, thank you so much.
Thank
Thanks
you.
for
That was
having me.
awesome.
Cece Whiting,
So
we'll be right back.